Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rijal Krismawan. I am from 11 class science of 1. In here I will present about title short story.
My name is Mega Silviana, class 11 science 1.
My name is Abiyaditya Wahyudin. I am from class 11 science 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Irfan Abdul Andi dari 11 IPS 1.
My name is Siti Mila Amelia, class 11 science 1.
Day goes with the golden egg. Once upon a time, a man and his wife had the good fortune to have a goose which laid a golden egg every day. Lucky thug they were, they soon began to think they were not getting rich fast enough. They imagined that if the bird must be able to lay golden egg, it inside must be made of gold, and they thought that if they could get all that precious metal at once, they would get mighty rich very soon. So the man and his wife decided to kill the bird. However, upon cutting the goose open, they were shocked to find that its innards were like that of any other goose.
Suatu hari, seorang pria dan istrinya memiliki nasib baik untuk memiliki angsa yang menetaskan telur emas setiap hari. Beruntung, meskipun mereka segera berpikir mereka tidak cukup cepat kaya. Mereka membayangkan bahwa jika burung mampu bertelur emas, bagian dalamnya pasti terbuat dari emas. Dan mereka berpikir bahwa jika mereka bisa mendapatkan semua logam mulia sekaligus, mereka akan segera mendapatkan kekayaan. Jadi, pria dan istrinya memutuskan untuk membunuh angsa tersebut. Angsa dengan telur emas bagaimanapun, setelah memotong angsa secara terbuka, mereka terkejut menemukan bahwa jeroannya sama saja dengan angsa lainnya.
The Goose with the Golden Egg short story element. Number 1 character. A man, his wife, the goose. Antagonist, a man and his wife. Number 2 setting. Time, arms, upon a time every day. Number 3 plot. Introduction. Once upon a time, a man and his wife had the good fortune to have a goose which laid a golden egg every day. Lucky thought, they soon began to think they were not getting rich fast enough. Facing action, they imagined that if the bird is able to lay golden egg, its insides must be made of gold, and they thought that is they could get all the precious metal at once. They will get mighty rich very soon. Falling action. So the man and his wife decided to kill the bird. Result of a situation. However, upon cutting the ghost open, they were shocked to find that his innards were like that of any other ghost. Number 4 conflict internal. The man and his wife are greedy and never have enough. Number 5 dread and impatience. Number 6 point of view. Third person point of view.
Once upon a time in village, there lived a beautiful girl named Cinderella with her wicked stepmother and two stepsisters. She worked all day. One day they Cinderella behind, Cinderella was feeling sad. Suddenly, there was a burst of light up, and the fairy godmother appeared. With a flick of the magic, she turned Cinderella into a beautiful prince with glass slippers and a horse carriage appeared at the door. The fairy godmother wanted Cinderella to return before midnight. Cinderella arrived at the ball. The prince saw her and fell in love with her. They danced together all night. As the clock struck 12, Cinderella passed out to her slippers behind. The prince went to every house in the town with the slipper until he found Cinderella. The prince and Cinderella lived happily ever after.
Pada suatu ketika, di sebuah desa, hiduplah seorang gadis cantik bernama Cinderella bersama ibu tirinya yang jahat dan dua saudara tirinya. Dia bekerja keras sepanjang hari. Suatu hari, mereka semua pergi ke pesta dansa di istana, meninggalkan Cinderella. Cinderella merasa sedih. Tiba-tiba, ada semburan cahaya dan ibu peri muncul. Dengan jentikan sihir, dia mengubah Cinderella menjadi putri cantik. Dengan sandal kaca dan kereta kuda muncul di depan pintu. Ibu peri memperingatkan Cinderella untuk kembali sebelum tengah malam. Cinderella tiba di pesta dansa. Sang pangeran melihatnya dan jatuh cinta padanya. Mereka menari bersama sepanjang malam. Ketika jam menunjukkan pukul 12, Cinderella bergegas keluar ke keretanya, meninggalkan salah satu sandalnya. Pangeran pergi ke setiap rumah di kota dengan membawa sandal sampai dia menemukan Cinderella. Pangeran dan Cinderella hidup bahagia selamanya.
Cinderella short story element character. Cinderella stepmother, two stepsister, fairy godmother, horse prince. Protagonist Cinderella, fairy godmother, prince. Protagonist stepmother, stepsister. Setting place in a village. Place at the door, every house. Time, until one a time, one day, before midnight, as the clock struck 12. Plot, introduction. Once upon a time in a village, there lived a beautiful girl named Cinderella. White hair, wicked stepmother, and two stepsisters. She worked hard all day, facing action. One day, they all went to a ball in the palace, leaving Cinderella behind. Cinderella was feeling sad. Suddenly, there was a burst of light and the fairy godmother appeared. With a flick of the magic, she turned Cinderella into a beautiful princess with glass slippers and a horse. Chariots appeared at the door. The fairy godmother warned Cinderella to return before midnight.
Paling action. Cinderella arrived at the ball. The prince saw her and fell in love with her. They danced together all night. As the clock struck 12, Cinderella rushed out to her carriage, leaving one of her slippers behind. Result of a situation. The prince went to every house in town with the slipper until he found Cinderella. The prince and Cinderella lived happily ever after. Conflict external. Cinderella versus two stepsister and stepmother. Time. Good versus evil and luck charging her life. Point of view. Cinderella is told through the third person omniscient.